Hello everyone and welcome to my fashion tech channel. I'm Daria and I'm happy to see you here. Today we discuss the hottest topic in fashion tech is virtual fitting or virtual try on. I saw a lot of startups that try to put clothes on avatar, real or fake one, and now because of stable diffusion in UI models there's another hype of virtual fitting. First I have to mention that there are two clusters of virtual fitting. Is 3D virtual fitting when we try to fit garments or clothes on 3D avatars, and the second is 2D virtual fitting when we kind of Photoshop clothes on our photo or photo of the model. There are a lot of startups in both clusters, but today I'll share with you top 5 startups that I like most. The same as in previous video, we discussed today how they work. We check their landing pages, some functionals they have, we check their team, how much money they raise, and the current traction. So let's go. Pam pam pidu poo. That's my new trick. The first startup that I want to share, of course, is 010. I'm sure you heard about it, or maybe tested, or maybe I showed to you. But I think it's the best and one of the first startups that did 3D virtual try on in real time. They have super great technical team that do a lot of computation algorithms how to render virtual 3D clothes on person in real life, because there's a lot of problems that we have it. First we have to in real life, right, not in photos, so we don't have a lot of time to understand where is the body, to track all parts of the bodies, to make somehow understand if our hands on the body or not, and everything like that. Second, we have to fit on this avatar digital garment to understand that if it's a sleeve, that it should be around our hand. And the last thing, it should look nice, we should like how we feel in this garment, because it could be, it means that we have to render it, we have to check maybe lights, we add some nice animation and do it in real time altogether. I would say it's hard technical tasks. They did it, and and when I look at their team and what they did, I'm super proud of it. But I don't work there, but still I'm really, really proud, honestly. They started just as virtual fitting. They did some collaboration with a marketplace of 3D outfits, and so you can choose the designer you like, a digital garment you like, and then try it on your body. But now I see they moved to another idea, to another hypothesis. Now they started to collaborate with real world brands such as Coach or Tommy Hilfiger, and in their real shops they put some terminals, as same terminals as in McDonald's when we order some food. They put it, and customers can look at these terminals the same as they look at the mirror, and this digital garment fits on their body in real time. As far as I can understand, by this shift, they haven't found any product market fit just in digital sphere, and it kind of makes sense because I haven't seen a lot of reels or TikTok when we test some clothes on our body, right? I haven't seen that it's viral. So they go to real world, to real brands. I think it's really makes sense. So that's what we show on their landing page, how they do this integration. Also, we see partners now, they write around community, super cool, and some digital outfits they have. I also really like the last collaboration with Coach. So Coach created some nice bags, only virtual bags, and also they add some interesting AR experience. Also, I'll show you on the video, just to add it to the outfit, to make it not just bag, but also some nice effects around it. Super cool, really like it. Let's talk about the team and the startup. First, let's go to Crunchbase. So 010, it's Cyprus-based startup. They raised $7 million seed raise. They have around between 50 and 100 employees. Wow, that's a lot for seed. It's a lot, but it's also a good round they raised. They created in 2020, so 3 years ago, before the hype of AI. That's important. Super cool. So they are best in virtual real-time fitting. They have super great team. They raised 7 million on seed. It's a very good number. I hope they will find their product market fit. So good luck for the startup. Very, very like it. I have to mention that it was really easy to find a top 5 startup because I think almost every startup now try to integrate some virtual try-on features. So I just took all biggest one that I like and put it. Yeah, but anyway, it's very nice to see what they do now. So the second one is DressX. DressX is the first and biggest marketplace for virtual clothes. And now, again, because of the new hype of AI, they add a new feature, virtual try-on. So let's test it together and see how it works. Okay, I upload my photo that I use for all the tests is my snap photo from modeling from modeling school. I think it's the best ever photo that I can use because it shows my body. You know, I'm in underwear, so I'll try this dress. And magic happened. So 45 seconds we have to wait. You don't need to wait. You don't need to wait, I'll just cut it. But you have to know that I waited 45 seconds. They found my body, that's good. It's half naked, I'm not sure it's a feature or bug, I don't like it. They a little bit crop my hands and fingers, it's okay. Try on e-commerce, they said that now they work on virtual try-on for e-commerce, so when we try on ourselves real clothes, but they haven't implemented it yet, and they asked my email, of course, to do it. The third company is Wannabuy, or 100 Fashion, and it's the best case in fashion tech that have great acquisition or exit. Wannabuy did virtual try-on of sneakers and they sold it to Farfetch. It's great, everybody was super happy, and now when everybody talk with everybody, and now when everybody mention fashion tech, they mention Wannabuy. I mentioned them today because they also have virtual clothes try-on, and let's see how it works. When we go to their landing page, we see footwear, we see watches, also good move, and we see AR clothes. The concept is super similar to 010. I think 010 was first, and Wannabuy in those times haven't had any clothes. Well, let's test them together and see and compare the results. I'm really curious, are they competitors or not? Because on one side, 010 was the first, they have a good connection with brands, and on the other side, Wannabuy also was quite early and also have a good connection with brands. Maybe it's better than, you know, to become one organism, become one company, and together, and together, you know, make one big unicorn with the AR, everything, try on, blah, blah, blah. Another startup is SuperLook AI. Let's check the landing page. Perfect look is part of AI, makes sense. So we see a lot of AI generated content, unique skin assistant. How does it work? Okay, they can automatically find the garment, the clothes or dress, everything. They can erase it, they can change the look. I think they did update some new, they made some updates after I checked them last time. Select photo, showcase your full body, and we have it, right? We have the best photo for you guys. Wow, okay. Fast generation of random look. Let's do it. What's the word for it? Enthusiastic, I would say. It's super risky, super fresh looks. I haven't expected. Let's see. So the first one is kind of fur, but with old style pants. I don't like it. The second one is, I don't know, Indian base or what is it? I have no idea what is it exactly, but it's kind of bright costume. Okay. This I have no idea for old lady style, and this I don't know. What is it? It's prototype? Is it for Kit Kat? Okay, guys. Okay, let's try to find this look then. So now some startups try to add Google Lens. You know, it's one-click feature integration to find similar clothes based on the photo. Great trick. Respect for it. Find look, edit, sit up. Let's check. Female. Christmas, like it. Color, I like green and pinks. That's my favorite one. And ideas, let's do something sparkling. Okay? Regenerate, perfecto. It's really new feature, I've never seen it before, and like it. Okay, great try, guys, but you have to do something with it. So this is virtual try-on, a kind of stylish thing. We can choose our gender, event type, right, and give some suggestion, and they generate looks. And also they add Google Lens, respect for it. They try to find these outfits in the internet. Easy, understandable. Okay, probably there will be something. We'll also check the application. Maybe something different will be an application. But now, sorry, I'm not, because the looks, the outfits that I had, no way. Let's check their traffic. If you do some fashion tech startup, I'll come to you. I'll check everything. No personal, just business, okay? 100 100,000 total visits. Okay. Oh, they're growing. Oh, they grow twice from October to November. It's a great number. So in October they have 30,000 visits. In November they have 70,000 visits. So it's a good traction. I like it. They have Russia 20%, Canada 17%, and United States 17%, and Iraq and United Kingdom 10%. Very interesting country distribution. Never seen it before. Iraq. Maybe that's why they generate for me some quite interesting outfits. So they have a lot of traffic from YouTube, and also they have a lot of traffic from different messengers. So probably they are quite viral now. A lot of people try to use it. It's very great. I think great traction, and also they growing. So good luck to this company. I really force you, please, just update your trial version to some kind of fresh look for me. But anyway, congrats with growing, guys. It's very cool. The next startup is Lalaland.ai. I met some great girl from Netherlands, and she shared the startup for me. This startup makes 3D models and help clothes companies to understand how their clothes fit on different avatars, on different people with different body shape. We have, for example, dress. This startup made 3D model of different body shapes, different sizes, right? S, M, L, probably like that. And they try to understand how it fits. So they show what's maybe some tiny places, right? We have to make bigger, or some parts that fits good, and like that. Why they need it? Once again, come back to my first video, right? How clothes makes. When you are a clothing brand and you do your own dress, for example, right? You do a lot of iteration of sampling. So you create some design, go to construction, create it real, test it on models, understand that something doesn't work, and do it again. And this startup helps to remove this iteration circle using digital online technologies. It's a great idea from any perspective, from sustainable perspective, from cost-effective perspective. So that's why I really like it. They have a nice font and landing, but I don't like what they present here. And now that's a problem of B2B startups, because sometimes I don't understand exactly what they do from their landing page, because it's B2B, right? Mostly the sale by communication, not by the landing. So that's problem of B2B. Anyway, if we go to their Instagram, yeah, so we see different body shapes, some plugins, right? How garment fit in different body shapes, right? And now we see it. So why I mention it? Because I like font? No, why I mention? Because these guys have also good traction, and let's check their team now. So they have good traction. They raised $2.5 million for seed raise. They have 10-50 employees, and they are from Netherlands, from Amsterdam. They started 2019, so 4 years ago, before all the hype. And as far as I know, they have good traction to understand what they do, the customers, and everything around it. So I think it's a great example of fashion tech. And the last one, but not least, how English people like to say, it's Alibaba. Is Alibaba new fashion AI model? This week, and thanks my friends to sharing it with me, Alibaba launched new model for virtual fitting, virtual try-on. And I really like the quality and the result that we have. So on the landing page, they show different, right, images, how they fit clothes on avatars, right? Have some data, and they can also put on new anime clothes, also super fun. Okay, and let's try to test it. We go to Hugging Face. So there's a model. We cannot upload our own photo. It's super sad. I really want it. But I also have a special garment for them, special clothes. First, I have a generated sweater made by myself in midjourney. I upload it. And also I have pants also generated in midjourney. Let's use this one. So let's see how it fit the model. Oh, we are 6 and now 5 in queue, so we have to wait. You don't need to wait again, but I'll wait for you and see. Okay, it's done. Wow, it's super cool. You see, I really like this sweater. Looks better on this model. The quality is insane. Like really, I've never seen something like this before, I have to say it. I'll also show you this probably example and this example, how they made it. So I think it's a game changer. They made a very cool model. We don't know how they will use it, or will they make it public or not. I hope so. I really want it to integrate to my, I don't know, fashion brand or whatever. A lot of this tries was not super good. It's problem of small amount of data, and in this case, right, Alibaba with their resources and with their data, a lot of, pictures and everything, they can do a great model, and I think it's super cool that they did it. It's really cool. Wow, 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 which very good, very good. I also really like their sense of humor, because now they put fit pineapple to the model and get pineapple dress. Great idea, amazing, super cool, like it. And that's it. So what we have now, once again, for 3D garments, we have 010, we have Wanna Buy, and we have Lalaland. 010 and Wanna Buy have really similar now models, but 010 goes to real world with these terminals. Wanna Buy now stay digital, fully digital. We have Lalaland, mostly B2B, that help brands to optimize the production to optimize the production process. On the other side, on the other corner, we have DressX and SuperLook and Alibaba. They both try new AI hype, try to Photoshop clothes on our body. All of them do it on my photos. Yeah, and all of them do it in my photos, so it's not just, you know, any model from the internet, it's me, and the Photoshop looks on me. Still, there is a huge, I think, there is a area of improvement about what kind of outfits they generated, how it looks like, right, the quality. But Alibaba is a game changer to do a great quality. We're waiting their model, and I think we should wait around 1 year, maybe 2, to make it real. What it means that super soon all marketplaces will have this feature. Thank you very much for watching it. If you test any other virtual try-on application, or you want to share your experience with me, please comment under this video, and I'm super interesting, and I'll test it with you as well, and also maybe I'll tell about the startups in my next videos. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it gives me a huge motivation to continue it, to add more videos, to tell you more about fashion tech and startups in this area. Have a good day, have a good evening, and have a good week, and see you soon. Bye!